Good morning, Leo and Lily. It is time to wake up right now. Come downstairs quickly. A delicious and healthy breakfast is ready for you both.
Good morning, Mom. Wow, I am very hungry this bright and sunny morning. Me too. My tummy is making funny, hungry noises. What is for breakfast?
We have fresh eggs, warm milk, whole wheat bread, and sweet red apples. This is a perfect, healthy meal to start your beautiful new day.
Oh no, I do not want to eat eggs and boring bread today. Me neither. Healthy food is so boring. Can we please have something sweet? Yes! I want some big chocolate cakes and colorful sweet candy, please. And I want a big glass of cold, sweet orange soda, please.
Candy, chocolate, and soda for breakfast? That is a very bad idea, kids.
Your bodies need good, healthy food to get strong energy for playing today.
But candy is so yummy. Please, Dad, just this one special time.
Yeah.
Yes, please. We promise we will eat all our healthy dinner tonight. Yeah, we will.
Okay, but you will see how your bodies feel after eating those sweets.
Remember, sweet foods are not good for giving you strong, lasting energy.
Yummy. This soft chocolate cake is so delicious. I love sweet food so much. The colorful candy and cold soda are delicious. I am very full now.
Are you two ready to go outside and play football in the park?
The weather is beautiful today. Go get your football and running shoes.
Oh, I feel very tired suddenly. I do not want to run around. My tummy hurts a little bit. I just want to lie down now.
See? Sweet food gives you a quick energy boost, but it disappears fast.
Now you feel sleepy and tired. You have absolutely no energy to play.
We are going to the nutrition center today. You need a big lesson.
Go get your warm jackets. We will learn all about good and bad food. Here we are. This is the famous Healthy Food Education Center for kids.
Hello, family. Welcome to the Big Good and Bad Food Challenge today. Are you kids ready to learn about the absolute best food for you?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes, we are ready. What exciting things do we have to do here?
First, let us play the fun food sorting game. Look at this big table.
Wow, it's amazing.
We have many different foods. Put them into 2 different baskets, please. Basket 1 is for everyday food. Basket 2 is for sometimes food only.
I will put the colorful candy, ice cream, and hot pizza in basket 1. And I will put the green vegetables, fresh fish, and eggs in basket 2.
Oh, wait. You sorted them wrong. Let me explain it clearly to you both. Vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, and milk are for your everyday healthy meals. Candy, sweet soda, and fast food are only for sometimes, not every day.
Why? Why can we not eat sweet candy and hot pizza every single day?
Look at this plastic body model. Every healthy food has a special superpower.
Green vegetables help your body stay very strong and fight all bad sickness. Sweet fresh fruits give you important vitamins to keep your skin very beautiful.
Drinking fresh milk helps your bones grow very tall and extremely strong.
Eating fresh fish is great for your brain. It makes you very smart.
And eating fresh eggs gives you big muscles to run and play all day.
Wow. What happens to our bodies if we eat too much sweet candy?
Too much sweet food causes bad toothaches and a very big tummy ache.
You will gain weight quickly and feel very tired, just like earlier today.
Oh, I understand now. I want to have those strong, healthy superpowers too.
Let us go to the supermarket challenge now. Take a big shopping cart.
Wow. Yes.
You must choose the best healthy food for your family dinner tonight.
Let us buy these salty potato chips, some sweet chocolate, and big sodas. Yes, and we definitely need this big box of sweet strawberry ice cream.
The red light is flashing. Your shopping cart is not healthy enough yet.
Oh no. We picked the sometimes food again. Let us try again, Lily. Let us put the candy back. We will take these green vegetables instead. Good idea. We also need to buy some fresh fish, eggs, and white milk.
Let us get some red apples and sweet bananas for a healthy dessert.
Look at these big red tomatoes. They look very fresh and juicy. Let's put them in our cart. Tomatoes are very good for our health.
Excellent choice. Tomatoes have many vitamins to keep your eyes very bright.
The green light is on. Great job, kids. This is a perfect healthy cart.
I will help you, Mom. I can wash the green vegetables for the salad. And I will carefully wash the red apples and bananas for our dessert. Washing vegetables is very fun. Look at all these green leaves in the water.
Be sure to wash them very carefully, Leo. We want them completely clean.
The apples and bananas are clean now. I will put them in a big bowl.
Thank you, kids. I will grill this delicious fresh fish outside right now.
And I'll cook some hot white rice and boil a few fresh eggs.
Dinner is finally ready. Everything smells so good and looks very, very fresh.
Wow, look at all the colorful food on the big table. It looks yummy. The grilled fish and the green vegetable salad are so incredibly delicious, Mom. I feel so much energy now. Healthy food is definitely the absolute best.
Now it is time for a fun food quiz. Are you two ready?
Yeah!
Yes. Let's go.
Yes, Dad. We know all about the healthy food superpowers now. Let's play!
Look at this picture. Is a hamburger an everyday food or sometimes food?
Oh.
That's right, it's a sometimes food. Good job.
That is very easy. A hamburger is a sometimes food, not for every day.
Correct. How about these juicy red apples and these crunchy green leafy vegetables?
They are everyday foods. They make us strong and give us important vitamins.
Water and milk are much better for you.
Excellent job, kids. You are very smart and clever nutrition experts right now. Because you learned so well today, here is a small bowl of strawberry ice cream. Surprise!
Yay! Ice cream is a sometimes food, and today is a special happy day. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next fun video, and always eat healthy food.